This is a good type of meditation for beginners. There are several types of meditation that beginners can do to maximize their benefits. First, keep your mind calm while you sit down. The pace of activity and the hectic daily routine certainly cause stress in most people. High levels of stress can affect mental health and productivity, so this condition should not be underestimated. Therefore, it is important to always manage stress through positive activities. One of the possible positive activities is meditation. This activity is a relaxation technique that focuses on clearing the mind of all the interesting, stressful, or disturbing things in life. Please do not do. Benefits are maximized. So what kind of meditation is suitable for beginners? Come on, get the information here. The right way to meditate for beginners. Here are some meditation techniques for beginners to maximize effectiveness. To start meditation, first calm your mind. This can be achieved by first clearing the mind while sitting down. Also, try to sit in a comfortable position. Please set a deadline. As a beginner, meditation should be short. For example, you can start meditating for 3 to 5 minutes. Concentrate on your breath as one of the most important parts of meditation. You should focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply until your stomach expands and exhales slowly. Repeat this for 2 minutes to calm down. Focus your mind. Done right, meditation can make your mind wander. So be careful not to judge yourself negatively. Now return your attention to the breath, centering and leaving your body. End the meditation slowly. After meditating for the appointed time, slowly open your eyes. Then take a moment and pay attention to the sounds around you. Also pay attention to how meditation affects your thoughts and feelings. Benefits of meditation you should know. General meditation helps you to focus, relax, have inner peace, relieve stress, fatigue, or reduce muscle tension. In fact, some studies have found that meditation can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. One of them is like helping to treat the symptoms of certain health conditions. Examples include insomnia, heart disease, pain, cancer, and digestive problems. Instructions on how to meditate correctly for beginners. Maintaining mental health is certainly important. However, try to always maintain body fitness through a healthy lifestyle. One of them is to eat a healthy, balanced, and nutritious diet to get all the essential nutrients your body needs. Dietary supplements can also be used to meet the needs of essential nutrients. If you need it now,